Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you an easy and quick romantic recipe. This is so easy and can be done under 10 minutes. I'm bringing to you the strawberry chocolate dips. So if you run out of ideas or if you don't know what to do for your loved one during his or her birthday or during Valentine's Day, this is a good option for you. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now you're gonna need some strawberries and you have to wash them very well. You have to soak them in water for about 20 minutes, then rinse it out. I'm gonna start by taking the leaves off the strawberries. You are also gonna need some toothpicks. So just insert the toothpicks into the strawberries like this. Now get some dark chocolate. Break them into pieces and just melt it up in the microwave. Now while it's melting in the microwave, get a bowl of water and put in some ice cubes. I want it to be very chilled. Now when your chocolate is ready and using the toothpicks as handle, just dip the strawberries into the chocolate. Roll it and make sure it is well covered, and immediately afterwards just dip it into the very cold water. This is going to help harden the chocolate at once. You can leave it in for some time if you want to get it a little bit harder, and then continue the process. Afterwards, just take out the toothpicks. So as you can see, our strawberry chocolate dips are ready. It's easy, fast, and it tastes good. It is also a good dessert idea, and both kids and adults are gonna love it. I hope you like this video and you're gonna leave it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I am gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.